It's like Gene the Geek. This is part 2. I'm here. Check out my channel. It's like I have. It's like anything geek. It's like and also it's like little geek is in there too. I have to clean up his car seat and stuff from my car. This is part 2 of how to improperly. It's like how properly save money on installing a backup. It's like camera. It's like instead of it's like giving it's like your hardcore money to have a professional do it yourself. And it's like 1 we installed the back the reverse camera light. It's like to that. I'm here with Nick Extreme, anything extreme he's into, and a little bit of geeky stuff there too. It's like we belong to the same club. We do, the Manhoovians, which is like his parents are
my parents are huge in the club.
Yes, it's like they're part of the leadership. They are, so check out the Manhoovians too. Now what we're going to do, we have to run this wire all the way from the back of the car to the front of the car. So and it's like behind stuff. So my seats, they come down. It's like so.
We'll watch from right here. My pants are now in the snow. Need a little help? Or are you all set?
I have to now take this wire, run it the best I can because people put luggage in the back of my trunk, which I have dirty because of some of my son's toys are in the back. It's like so. And as you can see, my car is a little bit dirty. It's like I have to clean it out for my guests. Right now, I'm just popping up a simple, trim piece, which I'm going to hide the wires underneath. I know you can't see very good at that angle. You're just so, but I'm tracing it all the way over here. I just popped up a little bit. So, but we always have to, it's like at the end of this, we're going to be cleaning up a lot too, putting stuff up. So the major point right now is to make sure it works. And after that, it's cleanup. So getting underneath some boards now to save time and effort, popping everything in afterwards. So it's lining up quite well. Push these back. My seats are really dirty, so yes, I knew that. My car is usually much cleaner when I'm doing
this. Hey, look! We got Smarties!
I give out free candy when I'm doing a lift.
Gene, that did not sound right.
And Nick needs to, Nick's Extreme over here needs to get his mind out of the gutter. But I know he gets that from. He gets that from his father. Right now I'm going through the floorboards. Taking some effort to do that.
I'm currently sitting in the passenger seat, for those people wondering.
Yes. Like I said, we can button up a lot of this stuff later to get more of the room that we need. I'll be tracing it underneath, probably over here and upwards, because you have to get underneath here. But I need to get more of this. But eventually it's going to be up through here. Let's see how much slack that I have.
That didn't sound good.
So, and we are going to take.
That's where that went. I wonder where that went.
We are going to close the door.
My door's still open. Sorry.
But we are going to, when we bind things up completely and clean things up, it's like we are going to, it's like going to leave these two up here. It's like underneath. That would be the proper thing to do to keep things out. We're going to pull just like this off right here slightly, and we're going to turn it. And because I've already started looking at the wires, I've already have getting the wires that we need. It's like right here. It's like to test fit these. It's like these wires that we need. I like electrical tape. I prefer electrical tape. You may say, hey, I don't like electrical tape. I like just like doing things with it's like
He likes to do things the hard way.
I like to do things the cheap way. And so right now I'm just fitting wires and testing up before we button everything up. It looks like it's going to be a very tight fit. So that'll probably be on part 3 of us just like buttoning everything up and have everything in here properly and everything. So, and this says back, so as an aftermarket stereo, I have to just like assume this is the back. It's like back reverse camera. It's like so after I did my research with that, so I have to assume that. Assuming can be bad, guys, but all right. But the proper way is to clamp these together, wire just like cut everything, and it's like I'm not doing the correct way, and then he's gonna have a lot of people in the comments saying that too.
He's doing it the wrong way. I can already see that. He probably is too, and I'm not a big person on this, so I wouldn't know.
So
again, this is not the correct. This is not the correct way. We suggest you do this. This is the cheap way, in the words of the geek over here.
Yes. What we're going to do, we're going to test fit it to make sure it works. We're going to turn it on.
Crash, no.
Make sure these wires are only touching each other because that's the power.
Zap.
As it comes on, I've already previously installed this radio. I'm going to slow down. So I'll probably have to go get.
It is a touch screen. It is a really big, really nice touch screen.
Yes. So
I can see your face through the touchpad on the camera.
it's a cheap aftermarket, it's like Android. Probably will have to take a coat hanger, shove it down in there, and bring those just like up. So ultimately it should come on, and there he goes.
It
like,
works.
so,
Wow.
Genius.
It actually worked. I did not expect that.
And it's like to make sure I have the proper way. I wonder what way is showing.
Right now it's staring up because we have the back thing open.
So we need to go and fix the lights in place, like holders. Hopefully it's like gets in the up or down. So and it looks like it might be raining. That's a bad thing for electrical stuff.
That might just be. No, I don't think it's raining. I just.
Yeah, oh yeah, it could be just like turning on the car. but that is just like UC. Just like I'm going to just like go and figure out. Just like he's going to yell at me to see if I have the right way.
Even though it is unbelievably cold out here doing this, I would not suggest doing this in the winter.
I'll close this for a little bit. Just test fitting it right now, like I said before, to make sure that's the, because if I put both of them on there, I'm just going to have to go back if I have to put this upside down. So right now,
So we're having problems.
just the width of the license plate holder, according to the screw. Might have to get longer screws. Nope. I might have to get longer screws there, Nick.
Yeah, it looks like it's not gonna fit there.
I think this is just that bump right there from the license plate. I might have to grab a pair of slag pliers and straighten that out just a little bit right there. Because it's flat right there. Or open that up a little bit.
By the way, this car says country girl on it.
The ex-wife. Yes.
For those of you wondering, yes, it does definitely say that on it.
We are going to have to, for this exercise, take off the license plate. Because I think it's because of that bump on the license plate, which is okay. We'll fly out the license plate in another time. Because right now,
I don't think it was more of the license plate as if it was this right here.
could be. Now we're going to see if that's up or down, and see if it's the correct way. We might have to adjust a little bit here and there. And it's upside down. But that's okay because we just like we found that out. That's trial and error. It happens even to just like the best, but at least it's working. We at least know it's upside down now. And it's like, it's just helpful to know, Sometimes you can't tell.
My batteries are coming on my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching this part of how to put on a reverse camera on a car. Thank you for watching this part, and I'll see you guys in the next video.